What if you could build an AI from the ground up to take on one of the single biggest time wasters in any business? I'm talking about chasing down unqualified leads. Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. A real world system designed to sift through a whole sea of maybes and pull out solid booked appointments. You know the feeling, right? You get that little flicker of interest from someone, maybe a simple yes to a text, and then nothing. Crickets. They just ghost you. This quote right here, it absolutely nails that frustrating gap between someone showing a tiny bit of interest and being a genuinely qualified lead. It's a massive time sink, and it is the exact problem this AI was built to crush. So, let's be clear. The core challenge here isn't a lack of leads, not at all. It's the absolutely staggering cost of chasing down every single one of them, especially the ones that are just a maybe. We're talking about real hours, real resources, just getting burned on follow ups that were doomed from the start. And when you break it down, the day to day frustrations are just brutal. You've got leads saying yes and then vanishing into thin air. You've got skilled, highly paid people wasting their valuable time calling folks who are never serious. There's no consistency, no real way to see what's happening in your pipeline, and forget about scaling. You just can't. It even hurts your ability to hire. Who wants to join a team that's working with outdated, inefficient tech? The solution here required a totally different way of thinking, a fundamental shift. Instead of chasing every single lead, what if you could just filter them? What if you could build a system that acts like a giant sieve, automatically sifting through all that noise to find the actual nuggets of gold? This single sentence, this is everything. It's the entire philosophy in a nutshell. Let the machine do the heavy lifting, the repetitive, high volume work that doesn't yield much, that first 80%. You save your human experts for the final, most important 20%, actually closing the deal with someone who is genuinely ready to talk. And this just lays it out perfectly. The old way is so painfully familiar, right? A person calls a cold lead, gets nothing back, and poof, that time is just gone forever. But the new way, it's a beautiful, streamlined, intelligent pipeline. The AI filters, it qualifies, it actually books the appointment, and only then does a human being get involved. See, this isn't about replacing people, it's about creating the perfect partnership. The artificial intelligence and the human intelligence do exactly what it does best. Alright, so we get the big idea, the philosophy is solid, but how does this thing actually work in the real world? Let's walk through the exact step by step automated workflow that brings this whole concept to life. So, from the moment a lead enters the system to the moment they're a booked appointment, they go on a 4 step journey. It all starts with intake, then moves to a super quick text message qualification, then an intelligent AI voice call, and finally booking. Every single step is a deliberate filter, making sure only the best of the best make it all the way through. Okay? Step 1, lead intake. This is where it all kicks off. Leads get uploaded or pulled in from databases and they land right in a CRM, a customer relationship management system, where they immediately get a status tag. Now, this isn't just about dumping data, it's the beginning of having total visibility. You know exactly where every single lead is at all times. Now, step 2 is just beautiful in its simplicity. The AI sends out one single super low friction text. It's not trying to sell anything. It's not asking a million questions. It has one job and one job only. Detect intent. Are you interested? Yes or no. That's it. This stops you from wasting a more expensive resource like an AI voice call on someone who's never going to be a real prospect anyway. Okay, but what happens if a lead does reply yes? Well, that's the trigger. That's when the intelligent core of the system, the AI voice call, springs into action. And this is where it gets really cool. The AI agent calls them instantly, starts asking those deeper qualifying questions, about their timeline, their needs, and it can even handle a natural back and forth conversation and objections. And of course, this AI agent works 24/7. It never gets tired, never has a bad day, and is always ready for the next call. And here we are, the final gate. An appointment only gets booked on a person's calendar if and only if that lead has gone through the entire AI voice call and is fully qualified. This is the ultimate bodyguard for your team's time. No more wasted slots with tire kickers or people who just aren't serious. Now, a system this automated brings up a pretty big question, right? What about human control? This is not about just setting it and forgetting it and hoping for the best. No, it's about creating a true command center where AI and human oversight work hand in hand. The vision from the project owner, Mustafa, was totally clear from day one. He wanted the default state to be automation. The whole system was designed with the core assumption that the AI is running the show from start to finish. But, and this is a really big but, that vision came with a non negotiable requirement: a human override. There's a central dashboard that gives you this God's eye view, letting you watch the AI work in real time. And if at any moment you see a conversation that needs that human touch, bam, one button and a human can jump right in. A simple toggle just switches control from AI to human and back again seamlessly. This dashboard is all about total clarity. You can see your total leads for that full pipeline view. You can track appointments booked, which is your main success metric. You have a complete audit trail of every single interaction. And there's a live feed that shows you exactly what the AI is doing second by second. There are no black boxes here. You see everything. So when you put all these pieces together, it becomes crystal clear that this system is way more than just a clever tool. It's a core strategic advantage that fundamentally changes the way the entire business runs. It creates a huge gap between them and their competitors who are still stuck doing things the old manual way. It gives top talent a powerful, tangible reason to join their team. It slashes costs, lets you scale without just throwing more bodies at the problem. So, that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Forget about real estate for a second. Think about your own work, your own industry. What if an AI could reliably and intelligently handle that first 80% of your most repetitive, most time consuming tasks? What would you do with all that time?